I'm going to discuss the power method over here. Basically, power method is used for finding the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a larger order system. As we know that it is some iterative method, and usually it gives us the largest eigenvalue and its corresponding eigenvector. Sometimes the power method doesn't converge to the largest value, but it converges to the second largest value. Also, with the little modifications, we can see it can be used for finding the smallest eigenvalue and its corresponding eigenvector. So let's start how the power method works. Basically, we are given a system of linear equations, and we have written it as ax is equal to lambda into x, and this x has actually three components, x1, x2 and x3. So eigenvector consists of these three components, and we can see as it is some iterative method, so how we have chosen 1 1 1 as an initial guess, and with this initial guess we have written this coefficient matrix, and we will multiply this initial guess with the coefficient matrix, and hence we generate this eigenvector. Since 1.778 is the scaling factor of this vector, so I have taken it out, and it acts as the eigenvalue, while 101 acts as its corresponding eigenvector. Similarly, uh, now 101 is the second approximation for calculating the eigenvalue and eigenvector. So again the coefficient matrix is being multiplied with this uh, chosen or approximated eigenvector, and in this way again we have generated a vector. Again take the constant factor as a scalar multiple, and we are left with 1 minus 1. Since we have two approximations now, this is my first eigenvalue, this is my second approximated eigenvalue. Similarly, this is my first approximated eigenvector, and this is my second approximated eigenvector. Now we have calculated the relative approximate error, which is actually calculated as second approximation minus first approximation divided by second approximation into 100. So it came out to be 50%. We will continue this procedure until we are left with our desired error. So we will perform more iterations until we get our desired result.